The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. This recipe for crabs stuffed with crab meat, pork, and seasonings is really delicious, and as it can be prepared well in advance, it's ideal for entertaining. For a quicker and an easier version, use cooked crab meat instead of fresh crabs and form the filling into crab cakes to be pan-fried. The combination of sweet fresh crab meat with savory ground pork, aromatic shiitake mushrooms, and delicate glass noodles creates a filling that is simultaneously rich and light, a hallmark of Vietnamese seafood cookery. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. How to prepare the filling. Step 1. Scrub and rinse the crabs thoroughly, then steam for 20 to 25 minutes until cooked. Set aside to cool. Step 2. Detach the claws from each crab and lift off the carapace. Reserve the carapace to be stuffed later. Discard the gills and spongy gray matter from each crab, then quarter the crab with a cleaver and crack the claws with a mallet. Step 3. Carefully extract the crab meat from all the crabs and claws and place in a large bowl. Combine the crab meat with the ground pork, minced shallots, garlic, minced shiitake mushrooms, soaked glass noodles, beaten egg, fish sauce, and freshly ground black pepper. Mix well until all ingredients are thoroughly blended. Step 5. Divide the crab meat mixture into 4 equal portions. Cooking steps. How to cook the stuffed crabs. Step 1. Pat the carapaces dry with paper towels. Dredge the inside of each carapace with 1/2 teaspoon of the cornstarch, shaking off the excess. Wet your hands, then stuff each carapace with a portion of the crab meat mixture, pressing it firmly into the shell. The stuffed crabs can now be refrigerated until just before they are required, ideal for advanced preparation. Step 3. Heat the oil in a wok or saucepan over medium-high heat until hot. Step 4. Gently lower the stuffed crabs into the hot oil, with the stuffed side facing down, and deep fry for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until crispy and golden brown. Step 5. Remove and drain on paper towels. Step 6. Arrange the stuffed crabs on a serving platter, garnish with coriander leaves, and serve hot.